Hello, my name is Max Minkov, and I'm the president of Computer Services Unlimited Inc. I wanted to make this video to talk about a ransomware protection. There's an interesting case that just happened recently in Baltimore City. Baltimore City got hit with a ransomware attack called Robinhood that affected and crippled the entire Baltimore City network. Essential services like processing title work and deeds for title companies, paying water bills, pretty much any city business that you could do on a computer was completely taken offline. And this particular case is very interesting because I think it provides a lot of examples of what not to do if you care about the safety and security of your network, of your infrastructure, your company, and your data. This particular case, the hackers hacked the system, demanded a ransom, and Baltimore City refused to pay it. Now, the interesting part of all of this is Baltimore City apparently had zero protection of any of their systems from this type of attack. And just so you guys understand, when your computer gets infected with ransomware, it doesn't get encrypted that second or that minute. It takes hours and sometimes days to encrypt a machine. Now, if you couple that with the fact that Baltimore City has thousands of computers and thousands of servers, it tells you that while the encryption was going on, they had no tools at all running on their network in real time that would alert their IT department or whoever was handling their IT to what's happening on their network in real time, which is mind-boggling when you understand the importance of a network of a government that pretty much runs everything. So Baltimore City had no real-time protection or alerting in place to protect itself. It doesn't look like it had any kind of backup or disaster recovery solutions in place to get them back up online quickly in an event of a disaster. And the third part, they apparently were advised not to pay the ransom or negotiate with the hackers. Now, I read different reports on this, and some people say that, or some news sources said that the hackers requested about $100,000 in ransom or $80,000, or it could have been $80,000 per machine. Whatever the amount was, it doesn't matter. Currently, to this day, the estimate is the damage to Baltimore City is about $18 million. So it's 18 million and counting. It's about 8 million in lost revenue. 10 million they're estimating for various repairs that have been done so far to the network and to the equipment, and that will still need to be done. And as they say, they're still counting. So $18 million and counting, and they did not want to entertain the thought of paying the ransom. So again, I don't know who was advising them. From what I've read, the FBI advised them against paying the ransom. Also looks like they signed some sort of a recent pact with the Mayors Association of America or something like that, where they all agreed, various city mayors agreed that if they get hit with ransomware, they won't pay the ransom. I mean, that's all fun and dandy if you have the tools in place to recover from an attack like that quickly, then sure, absolutely. But if you don't, we're talking about millions and millions and millions of dollars. So if you're asking yourself, well, what can I do so I'm never in a position like that? It's very, very simple. First part, you have to have an IT person or an IT company that knows what they're doing. Second part, you have to have the tools in place that will help you recover in an attack quickly if your other tools that are protecting you failed. Those are really the most important things. Yes, they cost money, but if you look at it as a cost of doing business and you put those protections and tools in place ahead of time, you will never be in a position like Baltimore City. Because honestly, I've seen a lot of different ransomware cases throughout the United States and even the world. And Baltimore City is probably one of the worst cases that I've seen how it was handled, both from the response time to everything they did was just wrong. And if you care about your company, your data, your employees, your security, don't be a victim. Protect yourself proactively instead of reactively. Thank you very much, and have a good day.